Okay, hello everyone. This is going to be a MAT 170 concept session that will cover evaluating functions by plugging in a constant. My name is Nick, and I work with the tutoring centers on the ASU campus. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, what we'll do is go ahead and just look at this first question over here. Um, Essentially, what if just kind of looking at it, right? We have function notation here, right? Basically equaling an f of x to a given equation listed here. Then what they want us to do is find the function notation of f of 3, right? So essentially what this is, just to kind of boil it all down, is if you can notice, this is pretty much the same thing, except instead of an x, we have a 3 there. So what that means is that we have to take every single x value here and replace it with the number 3. So we'll just kind of rewrite it. So we have f of 3 equals 2 times 3 squared plus 5 in parentheses 3 plus 1. And then from there, we just use arithmetic to solve. So we know from PIMDOS that we need to do exponents first. So we have 2, we'll have 2 times 9 plus, we have the 15, right? The 5 times 3 plus the 1. Now, if we equal all of that out, we have 18 plus 15 plus 1. Which will give us a total of 34. So if we want to write it all the way out, we have f of 3 equals 34. Perfect. Okay, now to look at the question on the right-hand side over here. It's pretty similar, but we're actually going to be working backwards in a way. So if you notice, there's no f of 3 or equivalent of that, right? What we have is an f of x equaling 43, and they're telling us that we need to figure out what x must equal. So basically what we want to do is find what this like inside parentheses should be for this guy over here on the right. So it's going to be kind of a similar process, except how we plugged in f of 3 here and then plugged in 3 for the x variables. We're going to be plugging in 43 here for the f of x up here. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So we have 43 equals, and then the equation, 10x plus 3 minus 2x. Now from here, what we can do is combine like terms. Because the x variable, they're both raised to a power of 1, what we can do is combine like terms. So since this is a -2 here, what we'll do is subtract -2 and 10. So that'll get us 8. So we have 43 equals 8x plus 3. Can subtract the 3 over here to get 40 equals 8x. And then we can divide by 8. So if we divide by 8, we get x equaling 5. So to go the extra mile and kind of reinforce function notation, what we can do is actually rewrite this to be f of 5 equals 43, just like what we have over here. So that's kind of function notation in a nutshell, and also plugging in constants to evaluate functions. So hopefully that kind of cleared some things up for you. Let me see here. Let me just go to the next slide. So we do have tutoring services available for you. If you go on to tutoring.asu.edu, you can check out all of our locations. We're on all 4 campuses, as well as having an online tutoring center as well. It's absolutely free, like it says on the slides. So as long as you're an ASU student, feel free to stop on by. If you enjoyed this concept video, go ahead and log on to that link down below, and that'll link you to a document that has a whole list of different links that you can check out that'll direct you to different concept videos for your course. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in the course. Thank you.